Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating access. Make sure your account, API keys, and an IAM role are ready with least privilege permissions. Then create the API and choose REST or HTTP because the choice affects routing and features. Once done, set CORS and stage variables to avoid later surprises. Next, add a GET resource and attach an integration. Lambda for serverless logic or HTTP for proxied services, so you can make the first test call and confirm connectivity immediately. You now build the core, map incoming requests to backend parameters using templates, and shape responses with status codes and error handling so clients get predictable output. Make sure to enable authentication. Choose API key, JWT or OIG or EAM because security matters, then attach usage plans and rate limits to protect backend resources. Once configured, create stages, deploy the API, and bind a custom domain with TLS when required, which ensures stable URLs and encrypted traffic for production clients. You finish by running end-to-end tests. Validate headers, measure latency, and confirm 2XX, 4XX, and 5XX responses behave as expected. Once done, enable logging and metrics, set alerts for error spikes, and push hotfixes to stages when needed so clients see fixes fast. If something breaks, first recheck IAM permissions, CORS rules, and mapping templates, then confirm the stage is redeployed. Those 4 items usually resolve the majority of integration and access failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.